Greeting, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are in this world. Let me say this first. From the river to the sea, Palestine will be free. Let me go back to my topic. Did you notice that whatever you are good at, whatever is your talent, whatever you excel at, whatever makes you unique, whatever you excel at, whatever is your talent, people attack most. Did you notice that? That's what they go for. Francis Ford Coppola said it best. Usually, the stuff that is your best idea or work is to be attacked most. Let's go through a couple of scenarios in here. If you're good at speaking, elaborating, communicating, debating, they say you talk too much. I don't talk too much. I'm meant to speak. So if you're a speaker out there, you're meant to speak. When people who talk too much are merely smart. So that's what they attack, say talk too much. Another scenario. If you're funny, they call you a joker, a clown. Your jokes are not funny. Your jokes are lame. But you are funny and you're gonna make it. Another scenario. If you are a genius, you're really smart, clever, and you are good with solving the most difficult and problematic formulas, and you are good at invention and creation. You know what they call you? Nerd, weird, geek, strange, like they called Robert Einstein, slow and have learning disabilities. Robert Einstein, they called him slow, with a learning disability. If you're an artist, if you are an actor, if you are a producer, if you are a composer, music writer, wherever in the music industry or in acting or any other industries, they will ridicule your work. If you are unique, if you are really unique, they ridicule your work and they will try to diminish you and they try to talk down your talent so you give up. And they tell you you will never make it. I have two examples that I chose intentionally because you will relate to. One is Elvis Presley. You all know who is Elvis. Well, Elvis was told by a concert hall manager that he should return to his day job or to his previous job. Elvis was a truck driver, so he told him, go to your previous job. You don't have no future in here. Elvis become the king of rock and roll, the king of rock and roll, and a music icon. Everybody knows who's Elvis. He was told to go back to his previous job. If he listened to them, if he gave up, he will never make it. The king of rock and roll. The second example is, if you know about art, you know who's Vincent van Gogh. Vincent van Gogh, one of the most famous paintings in the world. Vincent van Gogh sold only one paint in his entire life. Only one paint. And he was considered a failure as an artist. Now his work is one of the most important and most valuable throughout the world, in the whole world. one of the most valuable, one of the most important. He sold only one paint, and he was considered a failure as an artist. One of his paints was sold recently in 2022. Guess how much? $117 million. Is that who you call a failure as an artist? With one paint sold? Listen to me. They attack what's good about you. They attack your talent. They attack your uniqueness. They attack what makes you stand out. They attack your personality. Your personality, remember, is your brand. That's why they're attacking your personality. They attack what people like about you, what people gravitate about you. They attack your uniqueness. They attack your talent. They attack anything that makes you successful. They attack your talent. They know that you're gonna make it, so they want to diminish you. You have something important. You have something valuable. Always remember, thieves don't break to empty houses. You have something important. You have something valuable they are after. You have something special. Protect it. Thank you for watching and listening, and see you on the other side.